Here's a tip when you're thinking about existing topo or converting it. If you've got a survey with 1 foot contours like this here, it's great information to have, but it's not standard engineering practice to see that in hilly topography like Georgia and other states. It is common and expected to see 1 foot contours in Florida, however. So if you get this in Georgia, where this project is, you can see there's just way too many contour lines. Go to your layer manager, put a Z in front of the file, the layer name, and then what that'll do, you still have access to that information and you can turn it on if you want, but since it doesn't follow our layer convention, then it won't show up with your standard layers. So if I go to CS and then hit G, it'll disappear. So this is what you'll normally see, and then that's just more customary because it's just 2 foot contours. But if you need to do something detailed and you want to find a spot elevation, you can just simply go down to the bottom, turn it back on, you have access to it, and then when you need to do a grading plan again, it's not there. And that'll help clean your drawings up, make it not look so steep, but also make your plan look cleaner. And that's it.